I am ready for this fight.
Let's see how much power you have to beat me.
You also want to create videos like that? If yes, then you are in the right place. Because in 2026, nothing is impossible, as you already know. So, without any delay, I will start this video. And please watch the video till the end, because in this video, you will going to learn everything you have to know for creating this type of trailers, effect, animations, photo editing, and everything. Okay, so watch the video till the end and let's start the video. There will be a link in the description. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page here. As you can see here, there are two options, that is login and sign up. So if you already created your account, then go to login. But if you haven't, then go to sign up. Here, what you have to do is continue with Google or Apple or Microsoft. You can do anything. So I will continue with Google. So after login, you will be redirected to this page here. And here what you have to do is, here you can see your profile is changed, and now here pricing sector. Okay, here your assets library and other stuffs. So first thing what we have to do is to create the images or scenes. Okay, so before that, you can just, if you want, you can just go and check this community here. So if you just want to explore something, you can go and visit here. Okay, so without wasting, let's move to the image here. And here you can see they created videos, edit characters in Paint, Cinema as well, which we will use. So here go to image and click on create image. For creating these scenes, what you have to do is to just come to this Nano Banana Pro and here write this prompt. Now what it will do is to check every shot and everything and create 9 scenes like this, okay, for you. So I will just remove for now, and I will provide this prompt in the description. Okay, so now after I've getting all the scenes here, so what I will do is drag and drop this image here and write. Okay, so after writing this prompt, what I have to do is select the image ratio. Okay, and then select the quality, then select the batch size, and let's put to unlimited here. Okay, so that we don't have to waste our credits here. Now click on here unlimited. Now what it will do is create the image of this scene. Okay, after that we have to create for each scene. Okay, so what we have to do is just change these values, like row 1 and column 2, then click again, and then row 1 column 3, and now same everything. Okay, so here now change it to row 2, then here column 1, and then just click here, because we can do 4 images at a single time. So after the first one complete, we're gonna move with the fifth image. Okay, let's try is that work or not. So no, we have just reached our image limit. Okay, no worry, we will just wait for a little bit. So guys, look at this, we have created our 3 images, that is first image, second image, and I think this is the fourth image. Okay, third image is creating. So here if I just show you, look at the detailing and everything looks perfect. So we can do other stuffs like animate and everything. Okay, look at the detailing guys. So here this is our third image. Okay, now we can easily move with the fifth image. Okay, So guys, as you can see here, all the 4 images are generated, and I have also applied the last one because it takes a little bit more time. Okay, so I just provide the last one, and here the last image is also generated. And look at the quality and design, guys. It's look perfect as we want. So here we have 4 4 8 1 9 scenes now, right now. Okay, now what we have to do is animate all of them to create a perfect trailer. Okay, so let's do it. For that part, what you have to do is come to the home page, and here click on Cinema Studio. Then here you can see there are many videos I have created, and you have already checked out our previous video. If not, then go and check it. Okay, so here just select the video part, and what I have to do is click on start frame. Here I have to choose the first frame here, so go on image generation and choose the first frame here. Okay, so what I'm thinking is using this image because it creates a perfect effect for me, because in the starting I'm going to use a dialog type. Okay, so here I have uploaded the image, and here just add the prompt here. For the prompt you can go and use chat gpt or Gemini for that. Okay, use 10 seconds, and aspect ratio will be 16:9. Put the camera movements will be zip down. Okay, that's look fine. And at last just select the slow motion to off, batch size, and everything is look perfect. Just click on generate here. Okay, now as you can see it starts generating. Now let's do the same for the other image. For that, just click on start frame and choose the other one. Here change the prompt. Okay, now I want to change the movement as well. To change it to let's select any other handled. Okay, now cross it. Okay, as you can see I have selected the handled, and now click on generate here. Now as you can see our every video is created. Okay, and I have already downloaded all the videos here, as you can see. Now it's time to make some edits, and our final trailer will be there. Okay,
I am ready for this fight.
Let's see how much power you have to beak me.